Want your business to look more professional and trustworthy? Then you need a Google Business email, not a personal Gmail address. Today, I'll show you the amazing benefits of using a Google Business email and guide you step by step to set it up. Let's get started. Benefits of Google Business Email. Benefit 1. Builds instant trust. When customers see your email as contact@yourcompany.com instead of yourcompany@gmail.com, it creates immediate trust. Benefit 2. Strengthens your brand. A custom email address gives your brand a professional identity and makes it look serious. Benefit 3. Better deliverability. Business emails are less likely to land in spam folders compared to free Gmail addresses. Benefit 4. Full Google Tools. Access. You get powerful tools like Google Drive, Calendar, Meet, and Docs, all under your business domain. Benefit 5. Professional collaboration. Manage your team's emails, share files, and collaborate professionally, all in one place. How to set up Google Business Email. Step 1. Go to Google Workspace. Visit workspace.google.com and click on Get Started. Step 2. Enter business details. Fill in your business name, number of employees, and country. If you're solo, select Just You. Step 3. Connect or buy a domain. Already have a domain? Connect it. If not, you can buy a new domain directly through Google. It's fast and easy. Step 4. Create your business email. Choose your professional email address, like info@yourbrand.com or support@yourbrand.com. Step 5. Choose a plan. Plans start at just $6 per user per month. Perfect for startups and small businesses. Step 6. Verify your domain. Google will guide you step by step to verify your domain ownership. Usually, it's as easy as copying and pasting a small code. Step 7. Start using your email. Once verified, your business email is ready. Log in through gmail.com and manage everything with Google's secure platform. Now you know how easy it is to set up a professional Google Business email. Trust me, it's a small investment with a huge impact on your business success. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below if you need any help setting up your business email. See you in the next one.